Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram app. Start by opening Play Store and typing Repost for Instagram or Repost Instagram. Now you have to download this app from this developer. Open it. Go into your Instagram and select the photo that you want to download. Then click at the three dots at the top right corner of it, select Share To and tap on Repost App. Sorry, I have to do it again. Now you can go back into the app, tap on one of the options and click at the photo. If you want to move the label, tap on one of these options, but if you want to remove it completely, click on the square icon over here. Then tap on the button in the middle. And now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!